Welcome to the Accra two-way base assembly instructions. When you open the cartons, you will find the columns, the booker rods, the feet and the spiders. You'll need an impact drill with a 16mm socket, 4 washers, 4 nuts, a 16mm spanner and thread lock. Firstly, place a washer on the end of the booker rod with the nut. Apply thread lock and place it through the middle of the spider. Place a nut on the end flush with the booker rod and place it face down. Using your fingers and the spanner, tighten the nut down to the spider. Next, grab the column and identify both ends. Place the open end over the booker rod. Line up the tab on the column with the tab on the spider. Attach the foot piece by placing it over the end of the booker rod. Apply thread lock to the end of the booker rod and place a nut on the end. Lastly, use the socket drill to tighten the nut. Repeat the same steps to complete the other side of the base. The Accra two-way base is available in a table height only. It is made from cast iron and has been powder coated in a textured semi-gloss black finish. It is a simple yet effective base, perfect for hospitality applications.